not even. I'm gonna wait till those are the last ones. I'm gonna show you guys. We have 5 different pairs that we're releasing in terms of the characters, and it wouldn't be anything without having a home for these characters to live. So this is my first time unboxing this, but this is gonna be a representation of Bikini Bottom and Spongebob's house. So it could be either one. So this is my expertise take on Bikini Bottom, but also the pineapple that SpongeBob lives in. You know, like I said, this is my first time seeing this as well with you guys, so we'll go through it together. You know, obviously you have the ideal design in terms of the pineapple. They deep dyed the orange. You know, it's like more or less an orange peel-ish, more than like kind of the yellow, deep ingrained, you know, to bring out the pineapple. So, you know, you can really mess around with that. Obviously you have, and then that kind of caps off the whole Bikini Bottom character list that, you know, really speak and connect to who I am. I've taken different personality traits from all those guys. I've idolized all of them. You know, one way or another, they've definitely utilized their stories in the right way, and